وَبَدْءُ مَسْحِ الرَّأْسِ مِنْ مُقَدَّمِهِ, and starting your wiping of the head from the front. In other words, you do this and then this, rather than you starting here and then going that way. تَخْلِيلُ أَصَابِعًا بِقَدَمِهِ, and washing between the toes, literally the fingers in your foot. So this, we'll finish here. This will be the last one. We'll come. Oh, actually, we'll do the karaha one just to finish this properly, inshallah. So basically, washing between your toes is recommended. It is not sunnah, apart from between the big toe and the second toe. If you walk without shoes on, the big toe is usually a bit separate from the second toe, which means that there's a gap there, which means that the washing between those two toes is obligatory. The washing between the other toes is recommended. Yep.